In our last video, we covered all of the amazing benefits you get for building a Klaviyo app. You have your idea and you're ready to build an app. Now what? This video will walk you through the foundation of building your first app, covering everything from understanding authentication to setting up your app in Klaviyo. But first, to see more content like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's start with authentication. You've probably heard of OAuth 2.0, which is the standard authentication protocol to ensure secure apps. To publish your app on the Klaviyo app marketplace and get it in front of thousands of eyes, your app must authenticate with OAuth 2.0. This means your users will need to log in and go through this authentication flow to connect their Klaviyo account with your app. You can find detailed instructions on setting up the authentication in the Klaviyo developer portal. To build a Klaviyo app, all you need is a Klaviyo account. This can be a free account, but make sure you have owner, admin, or manager access. If you're using this account specifically to build your app, we recommend marking it as a test account so it's clear that it's reserved for development. To create your app in Klaviyo, click on the Integrations tab in your Klaviyo account. From the Developers dropdown, select Manage Apps. This is where you can create, manage, and eventually submit your app. Click Create App to get started. Once you do, you'll immediately be given a client ID and client secret. This is critical. Save them immediately. Seriously, if you ever lose your client secret, you'll need to regenerate it, which could potentially break any existing installations. Don't forget to name your app here. If this is a test account, make that clear in the name. If this is your production account, choose a name that you'd want to appear in the app marketplace. And don't worry, you can always adjust this later if needed. Click Create, and you'll be provided with resources that will guide you through the rest of the process. All of these resources live in the developer portal, so you can reference them at any time. When you're ready, click Continue to start configuring your app. This is where you'll fill out all of the core details of your app, from scopes and redirect URLs to your marketplace listing content. On the authentication page, include a space-separated list of scopes. These define which Klaviyo APIs your app has access to. Only list the scopes your app actually needs. Requesting too many can cause your app to fail review. Next, add your redirect URLs to the Allow list to ensure users can be securely redirected to the right place during the OAuth flow. From here, continue filling out the remaining app details like contact information, marketplace listing content, and your install and settings URLs. These URLs are important. Klaviyo and your users will call them directly during installation and configuration. You can find more detail on these requirements in the developer portal. Eventually, from this same page, you'll be able to preview your app listing and submit your app for review. And that's it. You've laid the foundation for your app's connection with Klaviyo and built the skeleton of your new app marketplace listing. The core elements are now set for a secure, scalable app with your current and future customers. So what's next? Now it's time to start writing the code that brings your app to life. In our next video, we'll dive into how to set up your install URL and the OAuth installation flow. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. And check out the video description for helpful resources to support your journey as you build, scale, and grow with Klaviyo. Happy building!